Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of LJ Law, Family Law TV. I am Bonnie Leonardo, your host. Today's topic deals with the question I was asked, and the question is, what do I do if my spouse is violating the custody and visitation order? If one spouse is violating an order and there can be no agreement as to how to resolve the issue between the parties, then one of the parties will need to file a motion to ask the judge to enforce the order. Depending on the kind of visitation violation, there are three options available to you. The first one is you can file a motion to enforce custody and visitation. This is a motion you would file if you want the other party to obey the court order. You will both appear in court and explain to the judge why the order is being violated. The judge may give you makeup time for any time that you miss with your children because your ex-spouse withheld a child from you or the children from you. The second thing you can do is file a motion to enforce or for order to show cause. This motion serves to punish the other party for failing to obey the court order. The judge may punish the other party with sanctions, with fines, and even sometimes with jail time. And the final thing that you want to do or can do is do a pick-up order. This is filed in case of an emergency when you need to have your children immediately returned to you. You will ask the judge to award you temporary sole custody, and this is the kind of order that is usually used and enforced by law enforcement personnel if you need to have assistance. So you would call them and you would present them this pickup order and they will be able to get involved. Law enforcement is generally hesitant to get involved in domestic disputes unless they are presenting with an order, and this pickup order is usually the one that they will get involved with. The most important thing for you to remember is that before you file any of these motions or the pickup order, you must, by court rules, need to try to settle the issues with your ex-spouse before you file anything. So make sure that you don't just quickly go file something before you try to communicate with your spouse, with your ex-spouse, and it's a good idea to do it in writing so that you have proof that you attempted to negotiate and try to resolve the issues before you filed any of the three motions in order that I discussed. Once again, if you have questions about this topic or any other family law topic, please don't hesitate. Go to vegasdivorcemeeting.com and I will be more than happy to sit down with you and discuss your particular situation. And as always, I thank you for watching and I will see you next time.
At LJ, we make your problems go away.